Here's my website. It's Occupational Therapy Home Resources, where you can find tips and tricks about how to help your child with at-home therapies. And here's my tech blog. This is my blog 2. And then here is blog 1 on the right. And then down at the bottom, blog 3. If you go to the biography, it's just a short biography about myself, and then I included a picture. Next are the resources, web resources. I included my Wakelet and some extra Wakelets of other resources for any parents. This one includes activities to do also. Personal choices, here's some more Wakelets and some at-home activities. Digital story. I included my digital story as well as my storyboard. Then my mobile app. I did my mobile app on italki, which is an interactive app that helps you learn different languages through your phone. You can do like tests and quizzes and podcasts and stuff like that. My PLN and PLE. I have the definitions, my sources, and then I have my reflections, examples, my collections for curation tools, microblogs, and blogs. And then my website evaluation, I did my website evaluation on FunBrain. There's the evaluation, and then I have my Apple Teacher certification, and those are the 6 apps that I got my badge in, and then this is also my certificate of recognition. And that is it.